You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An expression from Latin. How do you say it? A Latin expression meaning pertaining to minimal things, or essentially at minimum. In Latin, de minimis. De minimis. Now in English it's often said rather than de with de minimis. De minimis is said also in English, or de minimis in Latin, so both pronunciations are correct. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.